Lecture on Article 130, one of the Qanun-e-Shahadat Order, 1984. Introduction. Article 130, one of the Qanun-e-Shahadat Order, 1984, deals with the admissibility of evidence in a court of law. This article empowers judges to decide on the relevance and admissibility of evidence presented by either party. Admissibility of evidence. According to Article 131(1), when a party proposes to give evidence of any fact, the judge may ask the party to explain how the alleged fact, if proved, would be relevant. The judge shall admit the evidence if they think that the fact, if proved, would be relevant and not otherwise. Conditional admissibility. Article 131(2) states that if the fact proposed to be proved is one of which evidence is admissible only upon proof of some other fact, such last mentioned fact must be proved before evidence is given of the fact first mentioned. However, the party may undertake to give proof of such fact, and the court may be satisfied with such undertaking. Relevancy of facts. Article 131(3) provides that if the relevancy of one alleged fact depends upon another alleged fact being first proved, the judge may, in their discretion, either permit evidence of the first fact to be given before the second fact is proved, or require evidence to be given of the second fact before evidence is given of the first fact. Illustration. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an example. Suppose it is proposed to prove a statement about a relevant fact by a person alleged to be dead, which statement is relevant under Article 46. In this case, the fact that the person is dead must be proved by the person proposing to prove the statement, before evidence is given of the statement. Conclusion. In conclusion, Article 130, one of the Qanun-e-Shahadat Order, 1984, empowers judges to decide on the admissibility of evidence and ensures that only relevant evidence is presented in court. Key takeaways. Judges have the power to decide on the admissibility of evidence. Evidence must be relevant to be admissible. Conditional admissibility may be allowed if certain conditions are met. Judges have discretion to decide the order in which evidence is presented.